I'm Johannes, and I'm the head chef of the Living Room at Summerhill Estate.
And I'm Johanna, and I'm the host and sommelier. Last year in November, we were awarded with the Beautiful Restaurant of the Year award by Eat Out, what made us very proud because it was the first time ever outside the Western Cape. And for our young team, it was very special, and of course also for us.
Yeah, so basically, I grew up here in Kawisel, and what is now the Living Room at Summerhill was my childhood home. And obviously my mother is also a backbone of the business, having started off the guest house before we joined the business as well. We always believed, that good food, great hosting and good wine, speaks an international language and spreads a lot of love and joy. And that's kind of what our mantra was, and that's how we started the Living Room.
We offer a beautiful tasting menu where we're showcasing the culinary diversity of KwaZulu-Natal with a wine pairing, with a non-alcoholic pairing, and you can combine it with a beautiful accommodation in one of our rooms. So you can find us very easily on Google Maps. We are based here in Kawisel, nestled very close to Durban, to the beachfront, to the Midlands, like beautiful nestled in between. And then you can also find us on our website with summerhillkzn.com or otherwise on social media.